Okay. I'm the business director of the cloud computing solution. Today, I would like to share all of you a topic called Enhanced Data Protection Management for Cloud Environment. I will elaborate much more on security point of view and data protection. Before my presentation, there has a question I want to ask, and please think about it. Citic Telecom CPC plus EMC, what will it be? You can think about it first. I'm sure that you will know the answer and the reason after my presentation. Okay, let me start now. Nowadays, one of the big business challenges to all of us is big data. Based on the IDC Digital Universal Research on last year, the number of servers over the world will be grown by 10 times. Moreover, the amount of information managed by enterprise data center also grows by 50 times. By the way, the number of files in the data centers will be grown by 75 times in 2010. What that mean? How do you handling this challenge? I think the best way for you to move forward to transforming your storage into a cloud environment. Okay. When we are talking about the cloud, do you really trust it? Maybe you will want to ask some questions. For example, where is the cloud? And do you know how to access the cloud? How about the reliability? Is the cloud reliable enough right now? Besides, the data stored in the cloud is encrypted or not? Finally, you will ask, could you visible how data security running in the cloud? Once again, the cloud is really trustable right now? And do you still willing to using cloud with so many uncertainty? Okay, today I would like to introduce Smart Cloud Service provided by Citic Telecom CPC and give you a briefing section about the chemical effects after we partnership with EMC. But on the other hand, most of us would like to ask why EMC choose Citic Telecom as a partnership in cloud segment. Okay, I keep this question in a secret first. I hope you can find out by yourself. Okay, let me talk about the first question. Where is the cloud? Sorry. First of all, cloud service center can be selected based on your selection. And Citic Telecom CPC has 6 smart cloud service centers across the Asia. For example, 2 of the centers located in Hong Kong, and we also just launched Taiwan and Singapore cloud data center from March in this year. Of course, we also launched in Guangzhou and Shanghai right now. All those smart cloud service centers are providing the IaaS service independently, and you can choose which cloud service center is much behind to you and giving you the best network connectivity performance. Now, you know the cloud location, but how to access it? Basically, each of the smart cloud data centers are interconnected with MPLS private network, and you can enjoy the secure private connectivity during data synchronization and replication between different cloud data centers. But your end user will say, can I access the cloud anywhere, anytime over the world? Yes. Citic Telecom CPC explore their own premium internet access at all cloud data centers right now. That means whatever you are using the private or public connectivity, you can enjoy to access the cloud anytime and anywhere. Okay, you have already got the true answer of the first two questions. Where is the cloud and how to access it? Right now, let me drill down to the cloud infrastructure. Is the cloud really reliable? Is that cloud using the top tier vendor to provide the infrastructure with full HA architecture? Yes. Smart cloud infrastructure is integrated EMC latest technology with full HA architecture to ensure the 99.99% SLA as the service uptime. Besides the hardware, is the cloud using the market best practice platform as the virtualization? Yes. All the smart cloud data center is built by VMware Enterprise Plus version. And CPC is the first service provider certified the vCloud powered in Greater China right now. That means the platform is well designed for virtualization to ensure the best performance and compatibility as well. Well, up to now, the cloud seems reliable enough, right? But I think one of the important factors we are missing is the human. Is that cloud service provider manage the cloud as a global standard? How to prove it? Okay, Citic Telecom CPC got the ISO 9001 as the quality management certificate and the ISO 20000 as the IT service management. The last one is the ISO 27001 as the information security management certificate. That means Citic Telecom CPC Smart Cloud Service can ensure the human procedure and the management workflow are based on global standard practice. Okay, let me talk about the next question. A few months ago, one of my customers asked me a question that, is it really secure when the data transmit through a private connectivity to the cloud? I answered to him, it is not secure. Why? Because you must include the data protection when you are transmitting the data access to cloud. For example, Smart Cloud Service Center has provided a dedicated security appliance for the protection to ensure that the other cloud user will not be affected by the share-based security device, such as UTM firewall. Moreover, Smart Cloud also integrated Citrix VSAP technology for the end-to-end encryption protection between the customer and the cloud platform. Whatever you are using the private or public connectivities, all the data is encrypted. Finally, when you manage the cloud resources through the management portal, you must build a SSL tunnel with the two-factor authentication, method to ensure the security access level is good enough. Some of us may think that the cloud is trustable right now and good enough for the data protection. But someone may also say that the data stored in the cloud still not protected, and it is very easy to touch it, get it, and steal it. How can we improve that? Okay. That's why we are partnership with EMC to leverage their latest storage protection technology to ensure the data is encrypted and protected in the cloud storage level. It can support the security and compliance requirement, the local protection scenario, and the remote protection scenario. Finally, up to application level is also compatible for the application protection. That means Smart Cloud Service is well prepared for storage level protection right now. Okay. Let's go to the last question. The data security in the cloud, can we touch it and see it? Many of us are afraid to use the cloud service. It is too remote. All the data stored remotely, and the computing service remotely. It is not comfortable for us because we cannot see it, touch it, and feel it as physical server. We lost the sense of security, just like a girl who always willing to keep check her boyfriend all the time. Can we keep check the VM all the time for security reason? Yes. Because Citec Telecom CPC has managed their security service in the cloud platform. There has a virtual NOC event connector to connect all the NOC information from each VM, and those NOC information will aggregation and filtering first. After that, it will centralize and analyze by our ArcSight engine. Moreover, Citec Telecom CPC has owned their free SOC Security Operations Center in Asia Pacific to provide 7x24 real-time proactive monitoring. If any incident occurs, CPC will actively to notify the end customer. By the way, the end user can use a Trust CSI management portal to remote monitoring the security incident all the time. Remote monitoring the security incident all the time. Is this visible for data security in the cloud right now? Okay. Up to now, do you know Citec Telecom CPC plus EMC is equal to what kind of things? It's equal to the cloud service that you can trust right now. All these 6 questions that I showed in the beginning of the presentation, now I think you got the answer right now. Let me summarize how Citec Telecom CPC Smart Cloud Service gives you the benefit directly. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and please fill in the feedback form in the folder and go to our pool to get the souvenir later on. Thank you very much.